Welcome to the Morrison County Veterans Service Office short tutorial to help you better understand and get connected with the benefits you have earned through your military service. I'm Kathy Marshik, the Morrison County Veterans Service Officer. In the middle, I have Luann Jarvis, who is my Assistant Veteran Service Officer, and we have Jim Sigler, who is our Administrative Assistant in the Morrison County Veterans Service Office. Thank you to our veterans and families for your sacrifices. To get started with any benefits through the Department of Veterans Affairs, we need proof of your service. And how do you prove your service? Through your DD-214. If you can find the Member 4 copy, that would be the best document. We need originals so that we make sure that it is you. The DD-214 is obtained anytime you complete active duty service. So this could be after your initial entry training. It could also be if you finish deployment, or if you are active duty, you will get one once you are done. Some people have several copies of their DD-214s because they had several sets of active duty. Some may only have one. If you don't know where it is, we can help you obtain that document. For those who have served in the National Guard, the NGB-22 is a document that you get once you have completed all of your military service with the National Guard. Please get us a copy of that document as well because it is very important for your benefits. Who's eligible to use services through our office? Anyone who has been on active duty, reserves, or in the National Guard. If you served in the Army, Marines, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, Merchant Marines, Space Force, or the Army Nurse Corps. We can also help not only the veterans or currently serving military personnel, but their spouses, widows, and other legal dependents get connected with the benefits they may be entitled to. We are your first stop shop to get connected with the benefits you may have earned or be entitled to. Some things that we help with, and we're not limited to, service-connected compensation, pension, or wartime for wartime veterans and widows who may have low income, burial benefits and survivor benefits for those who have lost a loved one either in service or if they have VA benefits they may be entitled to. VA healthcare and enrollment and referral. We can help with mental health referral and crisis management for those with financial crisis or homelessness. We can help you find employment or people who can help you with resume writing and many other things to help you get employed and back in the workforce. Education benefits through the Department of Veterans Affairs and Department of Defense. Transportation to your VA healthcare appointments. If you or your loved one needs adaptive equipment, we may be able to connect you to those. We can help navigate through several different automated programs through the Department of Defense or the Department of Veterans Affairs. We can help get referrals for legal issues. We can help with special licensing, and also some people are entitled to property tax exemption. We can help you figure out where you need to get ID cards if you are retired from the military using TRICARE, or if you don't have a VA healthcare ID card. We can help with discharge upgrades, life insurance, finding your military records. If you don't know where they are, if you need your medical records, we are the office to help you find those things. If you need your DD-214 certified, and one of the main places that you would need this is if you get a new driver's license, you're going to need a certified copy of your DD-214. We can stamp those for you. Veterans events and wellness programs, we can help you find something that fits what your needs are. Military pay, and we can also help you apply for military retirement and survivor benefits. We can help find resources for home loans, travel and discount information, and also find health insurance. We want to thank you for your military service and all the sacrifices that you have done for our country. Have a great day, and we look forward to meeting you soon.